Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Kia Sedona, and on this Sedona we're going to go over how you would set the time. So there's two ways you can set it. You've got the setup button right here, or you can just hit setup right there. It's a touch screen. Then we've got clock down here, and then we would set our time to the time. So the time is actually 6:42, so or 43. We'll set it to there, and then you can either pick your daylight savings if that's in effect where you're at, or you can have it in 24 hours. So if that's the way you like to have it, the increments. And so then when it's all done, when you've done that, then you can just hit the back button and it will change your time. So that's how you set your time on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.